People, me have a song for review by the artist here named Blem. And we never use no intro, no nothing. We get straight into it. So you know say Foot Type, a world-renowned selector, and me trust him judgment when it come on to music. You see me I say? And Foot Type review that song here. But anyway, you have to check out Theme Review on Theme page. But listen what me I go tell you now. Foot Type I go tell you now how that song here forward because the artist a shoot off another artist, seeing Spanish town artist them. So I make Foot Type tell you what go on, and then we get right into the song Blem, Brawlin, Murda. So here we Foot Type.
Here we go on now, people. I'm going to listen to me good. Remember me there Jamaica from all long, right? So I see Bishop Escobar one day now put up a video. And when he put up the video, he play one song and the whole club mash up. And to all the forward big, me not get to hear the song good. So me link my brethren them now and say, I wish sing the song where Bishop did I play. And them tell me say I want youth name Skengdan. Me say Skengdan an artist. Skengdan a top dan. And I say, no man, not Skeng himself, the artist name Skengdan. I say, okay, alright, Skengdan. I say, send me a song, I'm listening. And the song say, suck your madam in the big friend dog. And I'm going to say, bro. Foot Type run the place, bro. But the selector, bro. You see me? I'm going to say, yeah, song have a vibes. I'm going to start playing. Everywhere I'm going to play it. But I don't know the artist. I never see him yet. I don't know what he look like. I don't know it. But the song have a vibe. Anyway, today now, you link me. I say he want a review, right? And him say, him artist and Skengdan have problem. So I say, brother, if your artist and Skengdan have problem, I got dead. Because Skengdan, and a normal somebody if you have problem with him. Said, no, not Skengdan the Dan. Skengdan the artist. So I say, okay. So him send me a song where him artist a shoot off a Skengdan, not the original Skengdan, the artist Skengdan. Zine? So big up the producer JB. Alright, see man the producer already me. Him produce Champagne Campaign. Haters can't fuck with us. The cartel, big bad cartel. I see him producer.
Yo, tell Charlie for picture you can put on the pan me. Yo, JB, you murder. Them this did and them a go dead, what do them nerd ya? Well, you scap up pull them head like burglar. Drive by tint up, brim a shade up. Out and a blood a paint wall like bird.
Now people, I want to know say two bad artists from Spanish Town a war. And the first law of war is respect your opponent. So it's not like Blem can say, yo, the artist, they are joke artists, a bad artist as well. So Blem a go show now how him deal with war. Let's go.
Jack 762.5.6 all out tip. Chop up them body, fling the witness of a precipice. Hold him when him frost and he says a little crack a dick. Kill we kill people, bucket tell them we no friend no fish. All pussy stop bun coke. Yeah, this dead and a dead flank on a run joke. Touch at the friend make them find him tie up with the rope, them nah no hope. They bomb a put a hole in a door. Hey. Truck city we no shoot and miss. Kill zone a target practice. Bust them head and bust the case some other bit. Clock your chip, extra clip for the Remington. Yeah. Big lane on a winner gun club. Spain town say for lift them pro.
People, I like them war tune ya. I like them tune ya where serve different purpose. You know you big up flankers, right? But I like them tune ya where a badness tune, but at the same time, you can juggle that tune, you see me? But it serve it purpose. Its primary purpose after make Skeng know say, yo, we are shoot our fire, you see me? So let's go again.
Ready fi go kill them now. Break and cup a shot full of clear them a murder people and a talking seaside me bring him show him off all lost him. Know him girl so my murder him must bring. Kill him mama come I can't take it balling. Say them intellectual me make them send for medical assistance. When me find the remit and the scoop I give me precision. Lingos for the body bag. Bill up in a couple tag fling pan to one never punch JB.
Me I go try follow the flow. Say them intellectual, make themselves medical assistance. When me point the Remington, scope give me precision. Link for a couple body bag and a couple tag for fling pan to a never pants. No more I know if we don't get the last line there. Because you know, tag the palm pants, but on that him a talk about toe tag. Now me skip over some name, cause I look like him call some my friend their name or something, but me could quite tell her who. You know what I mean? If me don't know them, it's hard for me tell. But people, that flow they sick. So let's hear a side tune. Here we go.
Murda, them listed and them a go dead, what do them nerd ya? Boy you scap a pull them head like burglar. Drive by tint up, pretty much read out, jump out and a blood a paint wall like Berger. Truck city we no shoot and miss. Kill zone a target practice. Bust them head and bust the case about a bit. Clock your chip, extra clip for the Remington. See, big lane on a we no gun club. Spy and tone say for lift them crowd. Ready me ready figure kill them now. Break and cup a shot full of paint pan. Murda. Oh JB.
Yeah, people, so big up JB again, and him produce a song. You see me, I say JB production. And the artist named Blem, and the song named Brawlin Murda. So, you know, say a bad song, bad artist, bad producer. People, me don't want like water down him song, but me talk from a marketing standpoint. Me see that song like in some video game. You know them shooting video game there, cause definitely it match them kind of game there. You see what I say? So, me just say that still. But when you don't know what the song is for, it's war. And you see what I say, I want to know what you think about it. If you want to go check out another artist song, you find him on social media, you find him on YouTube and check it out. You see what I say? But definitely me wait for see where the warrior go. And I want to know what you think about that song down in the comment section. And me go put the link to the full song so you can hear it on YouTube without me talking over it. And also me go put the artist social media link so you can follow the artist's career. And you can say, yo, you don't hear the artist up on Dancehall IG before. You see what I say? Mad thing. So big up on yourself. Thanks for listening.
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. Tento Blacks. Yadi.